Hey guys, what's up? And you are watching Caterpillar Network. In today's video, we are going to make a flower design using colored paper, and we will be needing a scissor. And voila, you're done. And of course, you can also do a butterfly cutouts. And also, it's also perfect for the bedroom design, for any decorations, especially this coming Halloween. Yeah, it's really perfect. Okay guys, thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and you can follow us on Instagram at Caterpillar Network, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. We will see you next time for our next video. Bye!